What's up, guys? Underdog coming at you. We're coming out here with a little more redemption today, okay? So I'm at the spot where I got skunked in my very first video, the Corey. And I'm fixing that. We're going to be catching a lot of fish today. So we're going to do strictly Texas rig. And I'm doing weightless. And I got my brother Jesse here today. And he's going to be doing a weighted Texas rig. I'm using a Yazimoto green pumpkin 4-inch with blue flakes, and he's using a 5-inch. I don't even know the brand.
It's a 5-inch just power bait from Walmart. You know, gotta keep it cheap, gotta keep it nice.
Gotta keep it cheap. Blue sparkle, black 5-inch curly tail. We're gonna see what happens. We're probably gonna fish till 2. So whoever gets the most fish until 2 wins. Or we can just go for 10. Best out of 10. I mean, we're going to be catching that many fish today. So let's get this tape rolling. I'm super excited. It's redemption day. We're on the kayaks on a beautiful lake. It's freezing cold outside though. Let's get this. Underdog out. Got him. That's 3, baby. Got it. Number 5, baby. That's 8, baby. Get it in the boat. Not in yet. Dang, that's 9. 9 to 9. Out here using the Yazimoto green pumpkin Senko. This one's pretty beat up. I'm going weightless Texas rig. That's what we're doing today. This is not that deep. There's a lot of rocks. So I'm hoping they're just gonna be sitting over here by these rocks. And I'm just gonna throw it and just crawl it across those rocks. I'm gonna see if we can hook into one. So when it is weightless though, it'll take a while to sink. But this really isn't that deep, so I don't gotta wait too long. I think a lot of times they'll hit it when it's going down, but I don't know how much they'll hit it with it's this shallow. I know more in the evening time around here. That's when they hit at this one spot. But I'm gonna see if I can get him to hit this early in the morning. Ooh, I had him. Damn, he took my whole Senko. I told you it was beat up. I told you. Ripped it right off. Well, gotta lure back up. That means they're biting, boys. That means they're biting. All right, I'm using the Yazimoto green pumpkin black flake weightless Texas rig. I'll show you. Just going through the top just a little bit, probably about that far. Bring it all the way up to the offset, and like I said, we're the bottom of that hook right there. You see how it lines up just after that egg pouch? Put the hook in there. And then to make it weedless, put it in the top. You want it to be straight as you can. That's probably good right there. And then you get in the water and you make it happen, Captain. So something you want to do when you're fishing a outer bank is to try to fish the peak. A lot of the fish will hang out by the peak. Now when that weightless is going down in the water, you want to leave a little slack in your line, and then what you look at is you look at your line. When you see, you can literally see the fish bite it. It'll jerk it. Wait a couple seconds and then set the hook. Don't do a 10-pound hook set on a little dink though. Then it'll come flying at you. Game time. I guess they will be on this side. That's not a bad one. The first catch of the day. Good hook set. Look at that, right in the top of the mouth. That's what I'm talking about, baby. First one of the day. And it's pretty shallow over here, but there is a lot of grass or a lot of sand. And bass really like the sand when they're gonna make some beds. Here we go, first one of the day. She's a beaut. Look at the tail, that means they're making beds right there. So that means we gotta be throwing in sandy water. Oh yeah. She's a purty one. Not bad, maybe a pound and a half, 2 pounds. Let's let her go. Get a good release on her. First one of the day, boys. It's a good sign. It's a good sign. It's really sandy over here. And that tail was all messed up and beat up, had some sores on it. So they're trying to make beds right now. So throw by the sand. I'm gonna go past the lily pads. I don't know if you can see them, they're so dead. You got one? Bring her in, boy. It's a big one. Oh, it's not big, it's a little dinker. There we go, that's 1 and 1. 1 in a boat for each of us. Tally up the scoreboard. Texas Rig Fishing Challenge. That's what we got going today. I mean, we're both on the scoreboard. All right, I gotta get back up on them. Weight is irrelevant. We're going strictly numbers. You said a little dink ate that huge worm? The worm was bigger than the fish? These guys are vicious out here. You're throwing weighted Texas rig, right? 3/16 ounce weighted Texas rig. I'm going weightless. He's throwing black and blue sparkle. I'm throwing green pumpkin and blue sparkle. So same sparkle. Oh, I see a bass right there on shore. Right by the rocks. Cast it a little too far to the right. Probably won't get its attention. I'm gonna try to get it right in front of it. It's hanging out right by the rocks, really shallow. See that big rock right there? That's where it's hanging out. Oh, got hit. Got it. That's 2, baby. This might be a nicer one too. Oh yeah. I think I got him on size today. That's a good one right there. That's another probably 2 pounder. He got a ½ pound. I'm at 4 pounds. Yeah, baby. Come on. Look at that. That's a pretty fish there. Look at those eyes. Holy cow. Look at that. That's my number 2 fish, baby. About a solid 2 pounder. Those eyes are crazy on this thing. 2 to 1, baby. This tail's not beat up though. I don't see any signs of bedding on this one. But the other one was. Let's let her go. She gone. There she is. Woo! Number 2 fish for the day, 2 to 1, baby. Let's run it. I mean, he could have been swimming towards you. This one, when I was reeling it in, swam right towards me. Thought I was gonna jump off the hook. So just so everyone knows, this is the Corey. This is the spot I got skunked last time. First video. And now we decided to do a fishing challenge. Who catches the most fish out here? One, we're in totally different spots. You know, we're in kayaks during spawn season, right by the rocks, right by the sand. So we're looking at a totally different situation here than we were the first time I came out. Tied up here, 2-2, another dinker. He's all about these dinks here. Still a fish, still 2-2.
Man, fish is a fish.
Fish is a fish. All right, I'm gonna cast over by this island over here. This island here drops off fast. So there's a huge bank. I mean, a small bank, and then it's just like a cliff. Right there is about where the drop off is too. That's right where I want to be. Right into juicy. Right into juice. Got him. That's 3, baby. This is a little one. Not bad. That's 3, baby. What the? It just threw my Senko off the line. I don't have that many more left. Okay, stop. You're done. I'm mad at you now. Threw my Senko right off the line. There we go. That's my number 3. 3-2. I'm up again. No signs of betting on this one. She's pretty though. That was sweet. It just like bounced, they like danced on top of the water on the release. I got 3 more Senkos left. 3-2, but we still got a lot of time to fish. Don't hit it and then don't come back. I wonder if there's a lot of bluegill over here because I'm getting hits. Did you get it? I think they're little. Is your drag too loose? Damn, 3-3. Oh, don't count. Didn't land it. Don't count. Didn't land it. Would have been 3-3. Yeah, your drag's way too loose. That little fish pulling your drag like that. Always check your drag after you cast. Oh, you're good. You can throw wherever you want. Just don't cross my line. Oh, that's 4. No! These freaking bass! Ugh. He almost tied it 3-3. How's that feel? Then I almost went up again 4-2. Back to back. That's stupid. I'm getting back out there. He's fishing mid-open water. Big mistake. Listen to the fish, bro. Listen to the fish. What I just said. That's number 4, baby. Number 4. Stay in the boat. I'm not losing. That's my number 4. Just told you guys, didn't I? He is throwing in open water with weeds. Listen to the fish, and you will catch the fish. 4-2. Let's go. But it ain't my Senko again, so. I got 2 left, and these things are doing wonders for me. Green pumpkin, blue sparkle. This fool's fishing open weeded water. Rocky, sand, shallow, lay down. He ain't gonna win doing that. He's got a lot of catch up to do right now. Teach this guy a lesson on where he should fish. Gotta listen to those fish, man. That is key. If you guys take anything from this video, listening to the fish, if they're biting in shallow, rocky water, sandy, that's where you stay. You don't go to the weeds. Even if they come up and they eat on the surface, they take a bug or something, don't go over there. They're not eating over there. Not what we're throwing, at least. They're eating that all natural. We gotta stay where the fish are biting. Uh-oh. You land one? Moved to the rocky, sandy spot and caught one. Said it's a good one? Better get in the boat. How big do you think? Oh yeah. Barely got him. So what's that? 3, 4? I just can't get a big enough lead. Three, 4. Let's run it. There's his number 3. It's a healthy looking fish. I mean, it's chunky. The mouth is huge. Show me the mouth. Yeah, that's a good mouth. Let's get a good release on her for that number 3. Go. Got it. Number 5, baby. It's a little one, but that's my number 5. Yeah, buddy. That's 5. Just a little one for 5. Look at those eyes, though. Eyes are crazy. Got that little guy for 5, man. Making things happen out here today. See if I can get this one to skip like the other one. That's so cool. That's awesome. Did you get one? Did you get one? I don't know. So you got 3 more? So what are you at? 6? I'm at 5. Okay, well, now I'm losing. So we gotta make a move quick, move spots, switch lures. We gotta do something because it's 6 to 5. I can't lose. Man, I don't know if I should switch lures. I don't know. I mean, the bite has slowed down tremendously. It is cold. Look at my leg shaking. It is cold, cold, cold. The bite's just like stopped. All right, I think I'm gonna play the dirty game. And since he's catching them over here, I'm gonna go where he is. Yeah, that's kind of wrong, but hey, I can't lose because they're not even biting where I'm at. It is colder than crap.
They're just like, oh shit. Like if they know what's going on.
Oh, come on, get in the boat. Get in the boat. I'm not even gonna waste my time. No, it's in the boat. It counts. It counts. That's 6. Is this a smallmouth? Oh, it's in the boat. No, no. Give it to me in my hand. Stop, stop. 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 Yes, that's 6, baby. Tied up. Tied up. What?
I just caught.
Man. Now he caught another one under his boat, 7-6. It's the one he just caught. Does that even count? Man, I gotta get out there. Thanks, guy. Let's go. Let's run it, baby. Did you cast? You didn't just cast? Don't even worry about it. You snagged?
Oh, no, that's a fish.
Yes! Yes! Ate his whole 5-inch worm. He thought he was snagged, so he was just trying to bring it in to unsnag, and he lost the chance to go 8-6. Got it! Got it! Got it! Come on! Yeah, little dinker to tie it up! 7 or 8-8. Little dink to tie it up, baby. Oh, he lost his to go 9. Oh wait, are you 7 or 9 or 8? 7. This little guy got me 7. He lost his chance to go 8. Oh, glorious. Glorious. Came out here last time, got skunked. Now we're playing first to 10.
No. Oh, he missed his. Oh, I'm on. Like almost doubling up every single cast.
I tell you what, today we are bussing lines, baby. We are bussing those lines like crazy today. We're in the right spot, right bait, good conditions. We know where they are. We're catching them. Let's keep this going. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, smash the like button. Give me all these comments. I want to conversate with you. I want to figure out things I can improve on, things I can do better, so I can have more days like today. And once I master what I'm doing, then I'll be able to produce more videos like this one. So, I mean, get to know me. I want to get to know you. Let's do it. You got another? Did you lose it? I gotta catch fish. I gotta catch fish now. Because he's yoinking them right now. He is yoinking them. I gotta catch fish. It's close, boys, girls. It is close right now. I can't get my kayak in a good position. 7s right now. I want to plug my GoPro in. At the same time, I don't. I'll wait for it to die.
This is the future.
Come on. That's 8. Look at that little guy. That's 8. That's 8.
Evolution.
Count. I didn't even feel it. I didn't even feel it. Oh, that's 8. What's up? Let's go. Now we're in another slump of not catching anything. What was that? Come on, just need to blow up over here. Literally right where I threw. Come on, number 9. Run it. Another little one, but that's number 9. One more and that's a game. This one I was thinking about calling it to go take a piss. It's a little one, but I don't care. That's number 9, baby. Number 9. If you've ever wondered When I say let's go bust them lines, if you ever wonder what that meant, today is the day of what busting lines means. We're at 9 to 7 right now. Look, going crazy. Let me let this guy go. We're at 9 to 7. We are literally busting lines right now. Let's go for that game winner. My Senko is on its last leg. Like, if I don't hook a fish, if I get a bite, I might lose it. My last one. Let's get that dub, baby. Let's dub it up real quick. I might throw and then pee. I got a 2-point lead. Give him a little chance. Throw one time. Go take a piss. But if I catch something back to back right here, boy, that's a gamer. Got one? You sure? Is it in the boat? What are you at, 8? Is it a little one? 8 to 9, folks. Becoming a nail biter. 8 to 9. Just hope he doesn't get to 9 to 9 before I catch my final fish. And I don't got much life on this Senko either. Throw right in this little weed patch before I pass over it. I hope we got something just sitting in there. They haven't been lively in the weeds today. That's a good cast. When it comes to fishing, never be too comfortable and think you got a big enough lead. Because this is the second big lead I've had, and he keeps creeping his way back. So never feel comfortable, never feel like you got that good lead. Make every cast as important as if, hold on, nope. Make every cast as if you're tied for the frickin' win or something. Because we're about to be tied for the win. Unless I can hook something right here. Oh, money cast. Money cast. I hear a lottery machine. Bing, 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 bing. That's what I hear right now. You got one? Better land it. Better land it. Get it in the boat. It's not in yet. Dang, that's 9. 9 to 9. This is the fish that brought the tie. Oh yeah, that boy was ready to go.
Boy, I almost jumped into your boat.
All right, so how'd you get that fish to tie it up?
What I was doing is I was slowly creeping across here, and I was getting nothing. I was feeling a bunch of weeds, so I was like, we haven't been getting nothing on weeds so far. So I toss it right to that log that's laying down, and I try to get it right when it touches into the water and land it perfectly. Hit it, everything. Just let it sink straight down. As soon as I start reeling it in, boom, boom, boom. There you go.
All right, busted the line. All right, 9-9. That cast don't count. We didn't start. 9-9. We're throwing the same area for the win. So best angler is gonna catch it if we're both throwing the same spot. So it don't count. I said it. That don't count.
What are you talking about, bro?
Boy, you're not on a fish. That's a log.
Boy, you look like...
Either way, don't count. Now you're scaring all the fish away where we're supposed to be going. He really thought he just beat me. Well, let's get in this water. Let's do this. All right, get in your spot. Even though he probably just scared all the fish away. Let's run it. You want to hit this V then, or you want to hit that spot over there? Or just still hit here? All right, you ready? This is for the win, boys and ladies and girls. You can't really see me, but for the win. In 3, 2, 1. We're in the same exact spot. We didn't cross lines, but we're in the same spot. Did you get one?
No, he's running at me.
No, no, oh no, no, no. It's in the boat. He took the dub, cast it in the same exact spot. 10 to 9. Let's see the fish that won it for him. He was down 7 to 9 and I couldn't pull it off.
You got really shiny gills and bows.
This is the fish that won it for him.
Let's get it, baby.
Man, 9 to 10, what a day. 19 fish. In the spot I got skunked last time, but look how big his worm is compared to his freaking fish. That's what's stupid. Look. Jeez. We casted the same spot.
Dude, I can't get this hook out.
Push it hard, or hit the back of it.
I can't get the back.
There you go.
Because this weight is maybe affecting. Alright, let me get it.
All right, this is the fish that beat me. I'm all about good releases, respecting fish, but not today. All right, he may have won first to 10, but look at this fish. Look at this fish. Look at the mouth. This is redemption from my last video right here. This is pushing 5 pounds. This is probably 6-pound bass right here. Amazing. He really won the competition, but I won the biggest. I mean, it barely fits in frame. Look at it next to my hand. 20 inches. 20.5-inch bass. This is pushing 6 pounds. Biggest bass I've ever caught. PB. Don't have my scale with me, sadly, but dude, this is amazing. Let's release this. Biggest bass I've ever caught. It's got to be 6 pounds. I mean, this is massive. 20.5 inches. Woo, baby! That was on my spinnerbait, 6-cent spinnerbait, with the Widowmaker creature bait that I just bought from Ionia Outdoors. Check out Ionia Outdoors. First fish I've ever caught on this was a fatty, 6 pounds. I mean, 20.5 inches, amazing. What a good day. What a good frickin' day. Let me explain this creature bait to you. I think it's meant for a neg rig. It's really flat on the bottom, and when you put it, it just goes. This is a one-of-a-kind bait. So this bait shop just opened up in Ionia. Everyone should go check it out. It's called Ionia Outdoors. It's at 1540 Jefferson Street. It's in his pole barn. He's building an expansion right now, and it looks sweet. I mean, fantastic guy. He sells a dozen minnows for $1 right now. A dozen for $1. That's insane. And they're nice minnows, so I checked them out. Woo! Dude, what a day. Insane day out today. I mean, talk about redemption at a place that I got skunked. My very first video. Out there for like 8 hours that day. Didn't even get a bite. And today we catch 20 fish. My PB, I mean, I wish I had my scale. It had to be 6, maybe 6+ pounds. It was massive. The last fish I caught out there was 4.5. It was 15 inches, and it was a lot smaller than that, girth-wise. So that's got to be pushing 6 pounds. I did lose the competition today, but I don't care. I mean, I got my redemption. I got that huge bass I was looking for. Jesse did win the competition. Any words?
That's right.
You know that's right. Okay. And yeah, man, what an awesome fishing trip. I don't have much else to say. I mean, I'm speechless. It was an amazing day. Best day I've had this year. So let's just keep these days going. Days just like this over and over. We just got to keep busting those lines and going crazy.